Hello everyone, welcome to how to browse our YouTube channel. So if you decide you'd like to change your YouTube channel revenue currency on your Android device or iPhone, this video is for you. In this video I'll show exactly what you need to do in order to change to how you can change your YouTube channel revenue currency on your iPhone or Android. It's a very simple process, so let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do, the first thing that you have to do is to install YouTube Studio. So here open Play Store or App Store, and here please write YouTube Studio, and here tab on the install button. I already installed YouTube Studio, and now just open YouTube Studio, and from here is very simple. You just need to go to your profile, and here on your profile please tab on settings, select settings, and from here is very simple, select currency, and from currency you can select the currency. As you can see, we have so many currencies. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more tutorials. I love creating tutorials, and if you also give a like, subscribe, this will help the channel as well. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.